Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajka Kitchen, and today I'm cooking for you guys gajar ki burfi, carrot ki burfi, and we need only few ingredients for this: carrot, milk powder, ghee, sugar, and cardamom powder. That's it. How easy is this? Okay, let's start our gajar ki burfi. We need 1 pound carrot, 2 tablespoon ghee, and 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, green cardamom powder, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1 cup milk powder. I bought from this box from the Amazon. It's very good. I already tried this one. If you want to use this one, you can buy from the Amazon. And for the only the garnish, I use the pistachio. I just grind them a little bit. Let's start our carrot ki burfi, gajar ki burfi. Now let's start cooking our burfi. This I'm adding a 2 tablespoon ghee. In this ghee, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, it takes only 2 minutes to grate that much carrot. See how fast is this? But if you don't have it, you can use the hand one too. Now we're going to add our carrot. We don't have to make them brown. We just have to remove the water. We're going to be cooked on the medium heat. Because we need this color for our gajar ki burfi. We need this color. We just have to be removed, when the carrot is going to start release the water, then we just going to cook for a few minutes, and then we're going to add our milk powder, sugar, and for the garnish we're going to use for our pistachio powder. Let me cover for a few minutes, and then it's going to be easy to release the water. Now let's check our carrots. See, now they are start releasing the oil getting, our ghee getting separate. Yes, we need this much you see. For a few minutes we're going to be stir like this. Now we're going to add our milk powder. milk powder is going to be feel like a khoya. Khoya is just like, cook the milk till like they get solid. That is the khoya. We are just saving our time to using the milk powder. We just like, when the all the white powdery filling going to be finished, then that's the done. Like, we don't have to be cooked too much after that. See, now they are all mixed with the carrots. You don't see any dry powder now. Now you're going to add the sugar. 1/4 cup sugar. 1 pound carrot, 1 cup milk powder, and 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. So easy, so delicious, and so healthy. For the winter, carrot is so good for you. This time it smells is so good in my kitchen. See, because we put the sugar release little water. That's it. We have to cook till like that water absorb the carrots. Okay. We are almost done. For a few minutes, because carrot getting little loose. Let's cook for a few more minutes. Now we are done. Guys, look! It looks so delicious. You can eat like this too. But we are making the burfi. That's why we have to be put it in and let them cool, and then we're going to be cutting the burfi shape. I'm going to spreading with the spoon. This way evenly I can make the whole thing into like in my plate. I put little ghee on the parchment paper too. It's going to be little more easy to remove from the plate. You have to press little like tight. This way is going to be stick together. All the carrots going to be stick together. See how it's yummy, look. Now I'm going to be put our pistachio powder. And now I'm going to press with the spoon, because when we're going to cut the burfi shape, they are not going to be separate. Pistachio going to be stick with the burfi. That's it. Now we let them cool, and we're going to be, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be serve this thing. But it looks so yummy, right? Yes. Now let's check our burfi. Let's see if, like, it's cool enough to cut. Looks so delicious. Center part is not that, like, get cool enough, but I'm too excited to just show you guys, but that's okay. I just want to show you how it look, but let them cool before to cut in the burfi shape, okay? Please. I'm going to show you now. First, like, line is, the shape is not going to be that perfect because they are not, they, like, the circle ball, like, see how this one come, but I will show you the other part of it. This one is going to be so good. You see how beautiful it look? Yummy. Look at the center part one, the burfi come up so good because the shape is going to be perfect, the how we like to have it. Do you see that? They're so good. Burfi is ready. Would like to taste? You see how yummy they are, look? I will show you the final my plate. Now my burfi is ready. See, look how yummy they look. Now I'm going to enjoy my burfi, and thank you to watching my video. See you guys soon. Bye.